Hi guys, welcome to my channel Coded. In this tutorial, I am going to teach you how shipping works in Shopify and how we can set up shipping. So guys, let's start without wasting any time. So guys, if you see currently, I have selected the country as United Kingdom and I have selected the address as Downing Street and city as London. Also, I've entered the postcode and now the shipping which is calculated is 30 rupees. So let's see. See, click on continue to shipping. So if you see, I'm getting two shipping methods, that is international shipping 30 rupees and standard shipping 1700. Now if you see, if I select this option, then the shipping rate will be 1700 rupees. So this is how I have set up for international shippings. For shipping which is outside India, that is international shipping and standard. If I select now the country as India, see I'll show you country as India, then it will be something different. See Panjim, I'll see the address, and now I'll say continue to shipping. So if you see now the shipping method has changed to 50 rupees. So this is how we can give shipping rates as per the country. Also we can give as per the states also inside a particular country. So how do we do this? For that we need to open Shopify. So guys, once you open Shopify, you'll be on this home page. Now click on settings, then under settings, you need to click on shipping and delivery. So under this shipping and delivery, you will get this particular screen, that is shipping and delivery. Over here, we need to click on this particular option over here, that is general shipping rates. So click on this. Now under this profile, that is general profile, first you will see all the products that you have in your store which are listed. Then you have this option to charge different rates for only certain products. Create a new profile. So let's go back. So you saw over here we had clicked on this general profile, but if you want to give a specific rates to a specific product, then you can create a new profile. For that you need to click on create a new profile, and a new profile will be created, but will not create a new profile in this. We'll select this general profile only. Now, if you see over here, we can see the shipping origins. Under the shipping origins, click on this arrow over here to show the details. So now, if you see, this is my location, then all the where my warehouse, my shop location is. Now we can change this also. So whatever we want, but let's not touch this. Our main concern is over here about the shipping rates. So if you see, the current shipping zone is for domestic, it's India. I can create a new zone. So let's delete this everything first. Also, if you see, the shipping rates which were shown for international shipping are over here configured. That is international shipping 30 rupees and standard shipping 1700 rupees. So let's delete this also. For that, we'll say delete. Now everything is cleared under shipping. First thing, what we are going to do is we are going to create a zone. So let's click on create a zone. Now we'll give a name. So we'll say domestic. Under domestic, I'll what I'll do, I'll search for India and I'll select this over here, and then you can see whole, meaning basically all the states are selected. Now let's click on this done button. Now if you see, my domestic shipping zone is created. Now let's give a rate for it. So for India, I want a particular shipping rate. So I'll give the price as, I'll say 100 rupees for shipping within India. So also the shipping rate is custom over here. or that is first of there are two options basically, use a flat rate or use a carrier or app to calculate rates. So if you select this, then based upon your delivery, whichever website you have, it will be calculated, but we'll go with the use flat rate. Hence the shipping rate is currently custom. Then we are going to custom rate name, basically we are going to give a name for it. So I'll say uh, India shipping. So this is the name what I have given. Then we have custom delivery description, that is optional, you can leave it blank. Also you can add a conditional pricing, so based upon weight or based upon price. So if you want, then you can give it or you can remove it. Then this is how the preview, basically it will be shown, shipping will be shown on the checkout. So this is the checkout preview. Now let's click on done. So this is how we have created a shipping zone along with the price. So now let's click on save. So there we go. So guys, now let's come on this checkout page, and now let's click on this change over here. Now again we'll refresh this particular page because we have changed the shipping rates. So if you see, since I have selected India, now the shipping rate is shown as rupees 100. So that's what we had added. But if I select something else, suppose I change the country. So if you see, now I am not allowed to change the country. That is because my shipping zone is only for India. Since I have selected only the shipping zone as India, my this option doesn't allow me to select any other country other than India. So now let's create a zone for United Kingdom. Suppose our website is from India, but I want to sell in United Kingdom. How do we do that? So let's see. Also, we'll give a separate shipping price also for that. So let's come over here back again. Now let's click on create zone. Now let's select United Kingdom. So let's give a name. So I'll say UK. Okay. I'll select the country as United Kingdom. It's not United Arab Emirates. I'll select London. Yeah, there we go. United Kingdom. So I'll say done. Now let's add a shipping rate. So it's going to add rate. I'll add the rate as 1,000 rupees. I'll give a name UK shipping. Then I'll click on done. Now also let's create another one. So let's say I will create another zone for international shipping. So international shipping. I'll select this international. From here we'll uncheck the United Kingdom. So okay. Since we have already created a shipping zone, so this option is unticked. That is same for India also. Now let's click on done. Now for international shipping, let's add the rate. So add rate, and we'll give the rate as 5,000. Okay, and I'll give a name to it, international shipping. Let's click on done. Now let's click on save. Also, we'll open a tab over here. We'll find the pin codes. So Downing, whatever street, Down. So basically, we'll first come over here. I'll refresh this page first. Now, if you see, all the countries are available. We have created two zones additional, that is international and for United Kingdom. I'll select United Kingdom. Then I'll search for the address. to down whatever. So let's downing. I'll select this address. Okay. So city Halford. So let's find the pin code for this. So pin code. So the pin code will enter this TF this particular. Okay. Now let's add it over here and we'll click on continue to shipping. So there you go. For UK shipping, we have got 1000 rupees as shipping rate. So same thing what we had added over here. Where it is over here. Now let's change the country. Suppose I want to ship it to I'll say Germany. Under Germany, let's change the address to something. Let's find a location from Germany. Germany places. So I'll say for Berlin, okay? And I'll add over here Berlin, some address over here. Now I'll click on continue to shipping and there you go. Now the shipping price is international shipping which we had added, that is 5000. So guys, this is how we set up shipping inside this Shopify, and it's super easy. Similar, you can create shipping zones and add shipping prices also in your Shopify store. I hope this video was helpful to you in learning about shipping inside the Shopify. So guys, please go ahead and the subscribe button down. Also press the bell icon to get all notifications into my new videos.